In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to deposit money using CoinMarketCap in 2025. This process can seem a bit daunting if you're new to the world of cryptocurrency, but don't worry. By the end of this video, you'll have all the knowledge you need to make your first deposit with confidence. First, you'll want to open up your preferred web browser and head over to Google. In the search bar, type in CoinMarketCap and hit the Enter key to find CoinMarketCap's official website. Once you've landed on the CoinMarketCap homepage, you'll see a search bar at the top of the page. If you're using your smartphone, you might find this bar after clicking on the search icon, usually symbolized by a magnifying glass. In this search bar, you'll want to type the name of the cryptocurrency you're interested in. Let's say you're investing in a prominent coin like Tether or USDT. Go ahead and type that in. After you've entered the coin's name, the search results will display several options. You'll want to click on the appropriate option, which will take you to the page detailing the coin's statistics and other relevant information. Once you're on the coin's page, there's a tab labeled Markets that you need to click on. This tab provides a list of all the exchanges where this particular coin is available for trading. It's a fantastic resource because it shows the trading pairs and their respective trust scores, helping you make an informed decision. As you scroll through the list of exchanges, it's crucial to choose a trusted and well-reviewed exchange platform for your transactions. Now, once you've decided on a suitable exchange, locate the USDT option and click on it. This will direct you to a page on the exchange's site, for example, Binance, where you can proceed to deposit your funds. It's important to have an account on the exchange you choose. If you don't, you'll need to sign up, which usually requires email verification and two-factor authentication for added security. Next, you'll want to find the Deposit button on the exchange page. Clicking it will present you with a list of cryptocurrencies or fiat currencies that you can deposit. Select the type of currency you wish to deposit. At this stage, it's essential to pay close attention to ensure you're depositing into the correct wallet address for the currency. Once you've ensured everything is in order, you may notice a highlighted option that you should click. This will guide you to finalize your deposit. Follow the exchange's prompts, and after everything is confirmed, you'll have successfully deposited money using CoinMarketCap as your initial portal. And there you have it. A step-by-step guide to depositing money using CoinMarketCap in 25. By following these instructions meticulously, you're well on your way to navigating the exciting world of cryptocurrency. Thanks for watching, and happy investing!